Okay, just battery connected. 48.2. Okay, look. No grid. 0, no grid. Now it's doing it again. It's trying again. It just tried to click over the fans. Nope. Trying to kick over again. Tried to kick, I heard it. No, and then it didn't. It tries to go, and then nothing. Red light. Try to kick, didn't do it. Error. Look, see? Trying again. Still going. Trying again, it's trying again. You can hear it. Oh, now it came on. You see? What the hell was that? You see how long that took? L1, L2, and then it's still false. Look. It died again. It shut back off. Now it's trying again. It's trying to come back. Look, trying to come back again. 3 minutes. It died again. Look, again. I got nothing connected. Just a battery. Huh? This thing is ridiculous. Finally. Came back. There you go. Finally. 4.5 minutes.